There's an easy way to do screen recordings on Windows without any third-party apps, without any watermarks, and it's completely free. To do this, we're going to start with a keyboard combo. You'll press Shift, the Windows key, and the letter R. It opens up this little screen recording toolbar on the top of your window, and this thing is super simple to use. On the left, you'll have two buttons. The first one is for screenshots, aka static images, and the video camera icon is what you'll use for screen recording. The recording area selector allows you to either choose a rectangle anywhere on your screen, and that can be the entire display, or if you're only recording one app on your computer, you can pick a specific window that's going to be recorded. If you're multitasking and switching between apps, the rectangle options is better for that. I'll choose the rectangle and then just click and drag over the area that I want to include in my recording. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and record my entire display. Then I'll click Start, and the screen recording will start. It actually shows you a little 3-second countdown in the middle of the screen, but that's not showing here in my screen recording. While I'm screen recording, those buttons will stay visible to you on the top of your screen, but as you see here, they will be hidden from the actual screen recording. There's a button to pause the recording if you need to take a break, and there's an audio button as well for muting the system audio if you don't want system audio to be included in your recording. Once you're done, you'll just click the red Stop button, and the recording will end. After you stop recording, the video will open like this. My computer says screen recordings will automatically be saved to your screen recordings folder, but I've had some instances where the clip actually did not get saved. So what I like to do is to click this little Save button in the top right corner and manually save the clip where I want it. After that, I can just X out, and I'll find the screen recording where I saved it. And that's how you screen record on Windows. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more easy guides, and see you next time. Thanks all.